Hello everyone, my name is Munazza Gohar. I am studying in 9th standard. My topic name is controlling the screen time. The role of a mobile device in the life of a children has grown exponentially over the past several years and will only continue to grow from educational tools and entertainment platform, mean of a communication and information access. Mobile technology has become an integral part of their world. However, with this increased reliance on the mobile device, the importance of addressing responsible mobile device usage among the children cannot be overstated, as their handheld habits continue to shape the way of youngest generation learn, play, and interact with the world. It's essential that we, young readers and learners, educated parents, and caregivers guards them in navigating the digital frontier responsibility. As mobile device usage continue to play an increasing pivotal role in the life of a children. It's essential to recognize the benefit they offer for students, parents, and teachers alike. This article explores do's and don'ts of mobile usage among children, providing valuable into promoting a balanced, safe, and constructive mobile experience for the future generation of our connected world. Mobile devices have opened up a world of educational opportunities for children. A wide range of educational apps cater to various subject and age group, providing interactive and engaging way to learn mathematics and science, language skills, and history. These apps makes learning enjoyable and accessible. They enable students to explore the concept, reinforce classroom teaching, and even learn at their own place, fostering the love beyond the traditional classroom. Mobile device stimulate creativity by offering a platform for artistic experience, drawing, music, and video editing app, empower children to explore their talent. Furthermore, mobile device can serve as libraries of knowledge, offering instant access to information and reference, aiding student in research and project. Benefits of mobile device extend to communication too. They allow children to stay connected with peers and families. The convenience of communication app can provide a sense of security for both parents and children when they are apart. The importance of protecting their privacy, teaching them not to share personal information with strangers is essential. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Sayada Sadia. By addressing these concerns and taking proactive measures, parents, teachers and caregivers can create a safer or more responsible mobile device environment for children. The aim is to maximize the benefits while mitigating the risk challenges associated with their digital journey. In the subsequent section, we will delve into essential guidelines, the practice to ensure that mobile device tools remain valuable in children's development while mitigating the potential pitfalls, excessive or inappropriate usage, promoting a healthy mobile device usage, fostering responsible mobile device among the children, involve a joint effort by parents and educators, establishing clear guidelines. Mobile device usage is vital, ensuring that children understand their boundaries. Screen time is crucial. Apps and parental control help set healthy limits, encouraging educational apps aligning with school curriculum, enhance learning, participate in educational games, interactive lessons, or informative content to create a shared learning experience. Teach children about online safety, recognizing and handling cyberbullying, and adults should model responsible mobile device usage as children often mimic their behavior. Encourage balance between screen time and outdoor activities, ensuring physical development. Maintain open communication, allowing children to discuss their online experience freely. Stay informed about popular apps and digital trends to support and guide children effectively. Common mistakes to avoid. In the realm children's mobile device usage, several common pitfalls deserve attention. One is the failure to establish clear boundaries. This lack of structure not only impact to academic performance and sleep patterns but also can hinder a child's overall development. Another common issue is neglecting to monitor the quality and inappropriateness of the content children access. Children are curious and can inadvertently or engage in activities that are not suitable for their age. Inadequate communication about online experiences and dangers such as cyberbullying is a significant oversight. In the following section, we summarize the do's and don'ts of the children mobile device uses for a more concise guide. Striking a balance between screen time and physical activities is crucial for children's overall well-being. While mobile devices offer educational content and entertainment, they should complement and not replacement traditional forms of learning and play. Encouraging children to engage in outdoor activities, sports, and face-to-face interactions with peers fosters physical health and social development. Parents and teachers play a vital role in ensuring children strike the right balance. It's not about demonizing technology, but about using it in moderation and in a way supports a child's holistic development. Thank you. See you.